Advertising today is about engaging, not just broadcasting. Hello, wonderful attendees. I'm your host, Dalvinder Kaur from lovely Professional University. Get ready to dive into today's topic, that is changing dimensions of advertising. Before we proceed further, allow me to introduce the experts of the day. Dr. Rohita Sharma, Associate Professor and HOD, School of Liberal and Creative Arts, Fine Arts, lovely Professional University. With a master's in visual arts and PhD from IIT Roorkee, she has earned numerous accolades, including the UGC, NET, and MHRD scholarship. Dr. Sharma has actively participated in national and state level art exhibitions and published over 45 research papers. So I would like to introduce Mr. Sumed Pal Singh Bakshi, a designer with a bachelor degree in fine arts from lovely Professional University. Over the past 5 years, he had the privilege of working with Pratilipi, where he contributed to UI UX design, graphic design, and creative projects. He specializes in tools like Adobe Creative Cloud and Blender. So I would like to introduce Mr. Mohit, currently an assistant professor in the Fine Arts Department of lovely Professional University. With over 6 years of experience in animation and multimedia, he worked at Citrus Inc. Studios on projects like Puffins Impossible and more. So I would like to introduce admission nominee also in this webinar, Mr. Rishabh Sharma, Officer and Area Coordinator at the Department of Tie-Ups, Division of Admission. Mr. Sharma plays a pivotal role in connecting the university with various institutions and organization. So I would, before we proceed further, in today's session, I would like to request everyone for any question you can write in the chat box or in the Q&A box, and say will be addressed from my side in the end of this webinar. And now I hand over the things to Dr. Rohita, Mr. Sumed, and Mr. Mohit. And it would be an absolute delight to listen from all of you. Over to you all.
Thank you so much, Dalvinder ma'am, for the wonderful introduction. As for me and Sumed and Mr. Mohit also, it's a wonderful day for us that we all are here and we are discussing about the new and the different dimensions of advertising. As today we have Mr. Sumed and Mr. Mohit as a youngster, and they are using the different channels and the different way to show you the different advertisement and the media link. So we will discuss about the different things. But before that, definitely, I'm just going to share my PPT where you would be able to see the slides as well. So it's a time for me for the sharing the screen. Please tell me, is it visible to you or not?
Please share your screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, your screen is visible. You can continue, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. So here we are with the title, this is Changing Dimensions of Advertising. So we can see that the different ways of the art form in the current scenario, where we can see the new dimensions in fine arts as well, because the applied art is the one stream or the specialization in fine arts, and the students are doing a lot in the field of applied art for the publicity and the advertisement. But the main concern for the present time, that now in present time, we can see the changing mode of advertising. So from the starting, from the ancient culture where we were, means we can see, अगर आपको याद होगा तो पुराने टाइम में जो एडवर्टीजमेंट का मेथड था, दैट वाज टोटली चेंज. जो राजा या महाराजा उस समय हुआ करते थे, वो एक मुनादी की फॉर्म में उस एडवर्टीजमेंट को करते थे. एंड लेटर ऑन जब टाइम बदलता चला गया, तो थोड़े थोड़े टाइम पर हमें डिफरेंट डिफरेंट चेंजेस जो हैं वो नजर आए. एंड आफ्टर दैट, फ्रॉम रेडियो, टीवी एंड प्रिंट एड्स टू in present time, we can see a different way of social media as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, Pinterest, YouTube, and Google My Business. So these are the different ways which are just getting the new and the novelty in the field of advertising. But My question will be definitely for same as we are going upgrade, we are going to the different channel. So what are the changes in the timeline? So first of all, I would like to invite Mr. Sumed Pal as he is working with the industry. And after that, definitely we will discuss with Mr. Mohit also what are the changing trends. So they will just give the wonderful information about the changing trends. So first of all, I'm just sharing the slides of the Mr. Sumedh because he has just given some brief about the life, how he has changed all these things. So I stop sharing my PPT and sharing the slides of Mr. Sumedh. So Sumedh, just tell me about your life and your journey from LPU to the Pritilipi, where you are working and the industry as well.
Yeah, so good morning, everybody. Yeah, so just a second, I'll just
Very good morning,
yeah,
Sumedh.
yeah. So from like 2018, I joined LPU. But initially, like I had no like idea regarding like most of the different, like we had 5 different streams in fine arts.
Yep.
So initially, I didn't have any clue like what are the possibilities that I can work on and what are the things that I can like jump on into the future. So with the starting, as the first year went, we were like given and like taught all the different 5 different streams of fine arts. So initially, I was my major, which was in painting. And one thing I like most about LPU is that it is the only institution I think that provides you the opportunity to like choose a major and a minor.
Mine.
Because at every place where I've seen my friends and everyone, there is only one major subject that they can choose, so, be it painting, be it applied arts, or any other stream. But only LPU is the one institution that gives you the opportunity to like choose 2 of the things. So initially, my major was in painting.
Okay.
So I was more interested in paintings in traditional format. But my minor, which I taken, was applied arts. So, but with time, my interest shifted to applied arts. So I think like if there was not such an opportunity of like giving me the applied arts wala part, I would have not like shifted to applied arts. I would still be in the traditional painting wala part.
Definitely. But we are also providing some digital media platform for
Yeah.
the painting student as well. So I think your interest was developing at that time and
Yeah,
you
yeah, yeah.
did do the both the things. Okay,
Yeah,
great.
yeah. I was like, yeah, mostly into that. So with the COVID and everything, so उस time पे तो सब लोग घर पे ही बैठे हुए थे. So my interest like it changed from painting to applied, and then I worked at a company. So it was Pratilipi. I applied as an intern there. So in
Okay.
our 6th semester, we had an opportunity ki we needed like 6 months of internship. So I applied through LinkedIn, and then there was an opportunity, and I went there and we worked there. So most of my work in LPU was regarding painting, and like industry is way different from what you work in a like company, or industry is way different from what you do in a like university. Because in a university you don't have to think about a lot of things. You just have a like specified assignment you have to give, and the marks would be given according to that. But in like industry, you have to keep like all the parameters and all the constraints of the company, what the company wants, because at the end the company wants to make money, and they want like their our work to like be in line with the market trends, and so that they can like be at par with what the competitive companies are doing. So that is the main thing that I've learned working at an institution and working at a company for like past 3-4 years, that we have to keep a lot of things in mind, because there are not only like design is not about like making everything pretty. It's about like keeping the business requirements in mind, because a good
You learn
design may not. Yeah,
how you
yeah,
can change your means at the time of assignment you have limited time and all these things.
yeah.
Definitely it is the part of your presentation, and this work a lot when you are in industry because the timeline is also there. But what was the difference between both the thing as you are doing assignment for a limited time period where the teachers are giving you time for
Mhm.
1 week, but when you are industry I think the time is slightly less, or I'm not sure about that. Just I have a look on that.
Yeah, the time is not like an issue. Like you have to keep like the market and the business needs. Suppose they need something to like you have to do different experiments. Like some of them obviously will fail and some of them will definitely work, and you have to like keep pushing more on those experiments. So
Okay.
like if an experiment fails, you have to like leave it and like you don't have to work on it again because that is a failed experiment. But failed experiments are also necessary because they help you in like learning what kind of things will work in today's market and what are the things that won't work in like the coming market. So that in that way it's way different from what we used to do in college. But yeah, definitely college things and the diversity that we did at our college and different courses that we had in our college are definitely the ones that are helping me right now in my company, and they have helped me a lot since I've like left LPU and joined at my current workplace.
Okay, great. So, what was your experience as the applied art faculty or the designation you have? Means in Pratilipi also, you were just changing the mode of your communication. What was this?
Yeah. So yeah, so initially I was working with the comics team. So what Pratilipi does is it is basically an Indian language literature platform.
Okay.
Suppose you are an author, you come to our website and you write your story and people will read it. So initially it started with that and it has like 12 languages. So Pratilipi then like branched out into four things. Like it has an audio platform, a comics platform, and a podcast platform. So initially, I was working with the comics team as a comic artist. As you can see, the current frames, the slide that you have shared right now, those are from my initial things that I worked on.
Yeah, I have seen your slides when you were
Yeah,
applying for your internship, and definitely it's related with your live project also because this is the part of your CA. You need to arrange some money
yeah, yeah,
apart from your
definitely.
innovative ideas, and that was one of them. I have
Yeah,
seen
that
that.
was
Wonderful.
yeah, and that is the assignment based on which I was selected in like in my company as an intern.
Okay,
There was
okay.
only one assignment that I did because I had no prior experience in working with comics. It was
Yeah,
just like five frames that they saw, and then it was on basis
they
of that I was
selected you.
selected for the intern position.
Yes, yes, yes.
So
Very good.
initially, I was working with the comics team, so with the webtoons. Then, like I shifted to the literature product team, which is the main team of our company. So
Okay.
now we are working with performance marketing that is related to increasing the like number of users that are using our platform. So it has been a like diverse journey for me, like to work from comics to literature team and then now in the performance marketing team. In between that also I worked on UI UX projects as well. Because in a startup, like you have to juggle between multiple hats and work on different projects. You can't like stick to one project like you're doing from the start. So the thing that I like about startups is like you get to learn a lot of things, and the amount of growth that you can get from a startup you won't get it from a corporate, because most of the things in corporate what I feel is like streamlined, and all the projects and all the things that a corporate does are mostly stagnant in a way that their design guidelines and everything is has been set. You can't like go beyond those guidelines, and all
Okay.
of those guidelines are predefined. But in a startup you have to break some rules and give your 100% and go above your like capacity and make stuff happen, because at the end of the day in a startup it's like you are only responsible for the work that you are
Any
given.
rewards
Like
and
you are
benefit.
you are accountable for the work you are doing.
सुमेर, एक चीज मुझे और बताओ, जैसे आप कॉमिक की बात कर रहे हो, तो कॉमिक
जी
हम जिस समय पढ़ते थे तब हमें याद है कि कुछ हमें समर वेकेशन होती थी तो वहां पर हमारे कुछ मतलब हार्डली 1 और 2 रुपीज में हमें जो थे ऑन रेंटल बेस हमें ये कॉमिक मिला करती थी, और उस समय चाचा चौधरी और फैंटम
हाँ
और
वैसे
डिफरेंट
तो
अदर अदर थी। तो
जी।
आज के टाइम में क्या बच्चे इसको देख रहे हैं? सबसे पहला तो मेरा क्वेश्चन यही है। और उसके अलावा ये है कि क्या वो जो करेक्टर आप डेवलप करते हैं, क्या वो सेम चाचा चौधरी है या उनमें भी कुछ चेंज आया है?
तो बेसिकली मैम देयर इज अ प्लेटफॉर्म दैट इज लाइक रियली जो बहुत ज्यादा मशहूर है अभी, दैट इज वेबटून्स, दैट इज अ कोरियन प्लेटफॉर्म।
ओके।
सो विद इंस्पिरेशन टू दैट, उसमें जो मोस्टली कॉमिक्स होती हैं दैट आर नॉट प्रिंट बेस्ड, दैट आर डिजिटल बेस्ड। सो मोस्टली जो कॉमिक्स हैं वो खाली फोन के लिए बनाते हैं, विच इज इन लॉन्ग फॉर्मेट, जैसे फोन का स्क्रीन इज लॉन्ग एंड द कॉमिक्स आर इन लॉन्ग फॉर्मेट। सो उनको वेबटून्स कहते हैं। तो हमारी जो कंपनी है दैट वर्क्स लाइक चाचा चौधरी वाली कॉमिक्स आर आल्सो देयर इन डिजिटल फॉर्मेट, बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट आजकल जो ट्रेंड्स चल रहे हैं, बिकॉज न्यू जनरेशन वांट्स अ डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ स्टोरीज। लाइक पहले चाचा चौधरी पढ़ते थे, बट आई डोंट थिंक आज उतने लोग चाचा चौधरी को पढ़ेंगे। So with the change in trends and with the change in the mindset of the like current youth, हमारी जो comics हैं that are like diversified on different audiences. So like कुछ comics हैं जो like elderly के लिए हैं suppose, या कुछ comics हैं जो mostly जो comics हैं that are for the youth right now. Like mostly youth, जैसे love stories हैं तो वो काफी सारे हैं, या जैसे action या thrill based हैं, या horror काफी लोगों को पसंद है। तो अलग अलग genres हैं जिसपे हमारे comics हैं अभी।
Okay, great. तो यहाँ पर इनकी जो पब्लिसिटी है या एडवर्टाइजिंग है वो मेथड भी चेंज हुआ है?
एडवर्टाइजिंग मेथड तो मैम डेफिनेटली चेंज हुआ है, बिकॉज पहले तो मोस्टली डिजिटल बेस्ड एडवर्टाइजिंग इतनी नहीं थी, बट अब तो डेफिनेटली गूगल एड्स, फेसबुक एड्स, इंस्टाग्राम पे बहुत ज़्यादा एडवर्टाइजिंग होने लग गई है। सो ऑल दोज थिंग्स जो है वो बहुत लाइक आई वुड से कि बहुत सारा अमाउंट ऑफ मनी गोज इनटू मार्केटिंग,
मार्केटिंग।
बिकॉज मार्केटिंग इज वन ऑफ द मेजर थिंग्स जो आपके बिजनेस को चलाएगा। इफ यू can like if you even if your product is not like best, and if you market it in a best way, it will definitely be better than the product which is best and that is marketed in a like bad way, because marketing makes your product, makes or breaks your product. That's what I think.
करेक्ट। तो सुमेर, यहाँ पर आप सॉफ्टवेयर की हमारे साथ बात कर रहे हो, और सॉफ्टवेयर में डेफिनेटली हमने डिजिटल में आपको प्लेटफॉर्म दिया था, और वहां पर क्या मतलब उस समय आपने सॉफ्टवेयर सीखे हैं वो थोड़ा सा बता सकते हैं यहाँ पर? जैसे
जी जी
आपने स्टार्टेड विद द
जी
डिफरेंट
हाँ
सॉफ्टवेयर एंड नाउ यू आर आल्सो यूजिंग एआई,
या
एंड इन फाइन आर्ट, जब हम फाइन आर्ट्स में बात करते हैं तो अब एआई को लेकर के बहुत सारी अभी,
बहुत
हाँ,
कॉन्ट्राडिक्ट।
कंट्रोवर्सीज भी हैं, बातें भी हैं, पॉजिटिव भी पॉइंट्स हैं, नेगेटिव पॉइंट्स भी हैं। तो यहाँ पर वो सॉफ्टवेयर जो आप यूज कर रहे हैं और जो एआई का इसके अंदर इंक्लूजन है, वहां पर थोड़ा सा आप मुझे बताइए कि क्या चेंजेस रहा इसमें।
तो मैम चेंजेस तो विद लाइक लाइक आई ज्वाइंड इन 2022, तब से अभी तक तो बहुत ज्यादा चेंज आ चुका है विद रिस्पेक्ट टू जब मैंने ज्वाइन किया था, तब एआई वाला
2022,
पार्ट।
it's 2022, then 2023 and 2024. It's
या
one and
मैंने
a
वो
half. Yeah.
जी जी, तो मैंने अप्रैल 2021 में ज्वाइन किया था, बट एज एन इंटर्न,
Okay.
बिकॉज तब मेरी अभी डिग्री तो चल ही रही थी, बट आई गॉट अ जॉब ऑफर बिफोर फिनिशिंग माई डिग्री।
Definitely.
तो विद जब हमने स्टार्ट किया था मैम, तब तो सारा कुछ विद हैंड ही था। लाइक
मैनुअली आप
फोटोशॉप,
करते
या
थे? हाँ।
मैनुअली एवरीथिंग वाज विद हैंड। लाइक फोटोशॉप वाज द लाइक बेस्ट एंड द मेन सॉफ्टवेयर जो हम यूज कर रहे थे उस टाइम पे, एंड प्रोक्रिएट वाज आल्सो देयर। बट जैसे जैसे टाइम बढ़ा एंड विद इन 1 ईयर जो एआई का लाइक एक्सपेंशन हुआ है, एंड उस चीज को हमने भी अपने इसमें इंक्लूड किया है। द
Okay.
रीजन बीइंग लाइक पहले जैसे हम एक एपिसोड सपोज स्क्रीन पे जैसे तीन तीन फ्रेम्स हैं, तो पर पेज अप्रोक्सीमेटली 5-6 फ्रेम्स होते थे हमारी कॉमिक्स के। तो अगर हम लाइक मैनुअली जब उसको करते थे तो पर पेज एक एक दिन 2 दिन भी लग जाते थे पर पेज, लाइक पर एपिसोड वीकली रिलीज होता था पहले। बट विद द हेल्प ऑफ एआई एंड लाइक जो फास्ट पेस, उसमें हम लोग लाइक दिन का काम 1 घंटे में कर पाते हैं अभी। तो लाइक जो हफ्ते में रिलीज होते थे एपिसोड्स, वो 1 या 2 दिन में रिलीज हो जाता है अभी। बट ऑब्वियसली एआई हैज इट्स लिमिटेशंस, जो कि हम फिर उसको बाद में लाइक पैचिंग एंड फिर से उसको फोटोशॉप में लेके आते हैं। बट व्हाट आई पर्सनली थिंक इज कि एआई लाइक जैसे लोग कहते हैं कि एआई इज बैड, इट विल ईट अप आवर जॉब्स, वैसी चीजें लोग कहते हैं आजकल। बट व्हाट आई फील इज अगर आप लाइक एआई भी तभी काम करेगा अच्छा जब आपकी क्रिएटिविटी उसमें भी आप दिखाते हो। दैट इज व्हाट आई फील। काफी लोगों को नहीं पसंद आएगा ये आंसर, बिकॉज जो चीज मान लो मैं 4 घंटे या 6 घंटे में लगा के कर रहा हूँ, अगर एआई की मदद से मतलब मैं अपना दिमाग लगा के उसको 1 घंटे में कर रहा हूँ, दैट बूस्ट्स अप माई प्रोडक्टिविटी। जो काम 10 घंटे में हो रहा है वो 2 में हो जाएगा।
में हो
सो
जाए।
आई फील लाइक इफ यू यूज एआई इन अ लाइक गुड वे, इट विल हेल्प यू इवन लाइक गेटिंग मोर जॉब्स। जैसे कि आज एआई के रिलेटेड ही स्पेसिफिक जॉब्स बहुत है मार्केट में, लाइक दे नीड पर्सन हु जस्ट लाइक डू प्रॉम्प्ट इंजीनियरिंग।
हम्म।
तो मोस्टली दैट इज व्हाट आई फील कि एआई इज गुड इन अ सेंस इफ यू यूज इट विद फॉर योर बेनिफिट।
ये
इट
वही
कैन
चीज है सुमेर, जैसे मुझे याद आता है कि जब जिस समय कंप्यूटर स्टार्ट हुए थे उस समय भी यही एक रूमर था कि हमारे जो है जॉब्स
जॉब्स
खत्म
मिल
हो
जाएंगे।
जाएंगे, बट ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। आज कंप्यूटर को बनाने के लिए भी ह्यूमन माइंड तो वही है। तो वहीं पर आपका ये पॉजिटिव जो आपने ये पॉइंट बताया कि डेफिनेटली ये हमारी हेल्प करेगा, लेकिन हमें उसे प्रॉपर यूज
प्रॉपर
तो
यूज करना पड़ेगा जी।
हमें हमें आना चाहिए। दैट्स अ ग्रेट थिंग, एक पॉजिटिव हमारी साइड है, और जहाँ पर हमारी जो काम करने की जो पावर है वो भी एनहेंस हो गई है। दैट्स ग्रेट, वंडरफुल। तो और क्या एक्सपीरियंस आपका इसमें रहा, कुछ और बताना चाहोगे?
बाकी मैं लाइक जो लाइक ऑडियंस है उनसे लाइक ऐसे ही एक चीज लाइक बोलूंगा कि इट्स नॉट अबाउट कि लाइक आपने किस में किया है। जैसे लाइक मेरा मेजर जो था दैट वाज इन पेंटिंग, देन इट लाइक शिफ्टेड टू एआई एंड देन शिफ्टेड टू लाइक डिजिटल पार्ट.
हम्म
Apart from that, like I do 3D work also for Unsplash. As you guys have known, like Unsplash is a platform जहाँ पे images मिलती हैं हमें.
हम्म
So yeah, Unsplash पे I am work as a Unsplash Plus creator, so I upload my work there. So like you just need to work on the things that interests you. Like अगर आपको कोई चीज पसंद है आप उस पर काम करते रहो. Like interest definitely would like अगर आपको एक्सप्लोर करना is the one thing that I think like even जैसे मुझे अभी 2-3 साल हो गए जॉब में, 3 साल I would say. But
हम्म
exploration is the thing that you should not stop doing it. Like you should diversify your skills. Like if you stick to only one thing, you might not know what the other thing like might give you and like what are your capabilities about the other thing. Like अगर एक ही चीज को करते रहोगे definitely that will make you master of that thing, but you need to get an idea कि और क्या क्या चीजें हैं जिसमें मेरा इंटरेस्ट हो सकता है. Like
हम्म
explore करने के बाद then you stick to one thing that you will like do your entire life या whatever you want to do in your life. Because आज का market, because what I've seen is even if you apply to anywhere like any jobs, there won't be like a single saying that we need a graphic designer. Like there is the job description of like each and every job that I've like seen and applied to is like they want a person who knows a lot of things, because the job market is too competitive at this time. Like they want a graphic designer who knows video editing with some 3D skills. So it's really diversified type of person that they want, because what they need is a person who can do a lot of things, and that would save up their money and their time also,
Yes.
instead of hiring four different people and making them understand a single thing. And with the current market you have to change and adopt to the like different things. Like AI आया तो आपको उसके अराउंड अडेप्ट करना पड़ेगा. अगर आप नहीं करोगे तो आप I would say पीछे छूट जाओगे with the people that are adapting to AI. So you have to
ये
like.
जहाँ पर आप ये एआई की बात कर रहे हो और आपके असाइनमेंट्स की हम लोग बात करते हैं, आपको शायद याद होगा कि जिस समय आपकी क्लासेस हुआ करती थी हम इंडस्ट्री से एक्सपर्ट बुलाते थे।
जी जी जी, डेफिनेटली आई रिमेम्बर जो अपने कॉमिक आर्टिस्ट आते थे. आई डेफिनेटली
कॉमिक
रिमेम्बर.
आर्टिस्ट आते, स्टोरी बोर्ड के लिए आते थे, सब चीजों के लिए, ताकि वो आपको इंडस्ट्री में क्या करंट सिनारियो है उससे आपको फैमिलियर करवा सके।
डेफिनेटली बिकॉज.
आपका जो एक्सपीरियंस रहा है लवली में, जहां पर आपको न्यू ट्रेंड्स के साथ हमने जो एकेडमिक एजुकेशन आपको दी है, वो पार्ट आपको कैसा लगा, या क्या उसमें अभी पॉसिबिलिटीज आपको लगती है? डेफिनेटली टाइम टू टाइम वी आर आल्सो चेंजिंग अवर curriculum, and we have the updated curriculum as per the different experts which we have gone through. So what is your experience? I mean, do you think that we need definitely it for a time being we are just changing all these things, but what was your experience at that time?
तो ऐसा था कि मैम जब हम लाइक अपना बेसिक एक चीज हुई थी कि जिस टाइम हम कॉलेज में थे तो कोविड आ गया.
हम्म
सो कॉलेज हम लाइक 4 साल तो नहीं जा पाए, लाइक 1.5 साल ही जा पाए 4 में से तो. बट
हम्म
उन 1.5 साल में भी आई वुड से कि जितने इंडस्ट्रियल लाइक एक्सपर्ट्स आए थे, या अपार्ट फ्रॉम नॉट जस्ट नॉट डिजिटल, लाइक जैसे इंस्टॉलेशन आर्टिस्ट के साथ हमने काम किया, प्रिंट मेकिंग आर्टिस्ट के साथ हमने काम किया. सो आई वुड से दैट हैज डेफिनेटली हेल्प्ड अस इन लाइक एक्सपेंडिंग आवर थिंकिंग की लाइफ में खाली एक ही पेंटिंग ही नहीं है खाली, या खाली अप्लाइड ही नहीं है. लाइक यू कैन वर्क एंड बी लाइक डू डिफरेंट थिंग्स एंड एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हो. तो एलपीयू ने डेफिनेटली वो अपॉर्चुनिटीज हमें प्रोवाइड करी थी. इवन दो हम लोग घर पे भी थे जब कोविड हो गया था, वी हैड ऑनलाइन वेबिनार्स बिकॉज कॉलेजेस तो बंद थे सारे. तो ऑनलाइन वेबिनार्स थे, तो उस चीज ने भी हमें लाइक काफी हेल्प किया कि कॉमिक्स भी कोई चीज होती है. जैसे अपना असाइनमेंट ही था जो मैंने किया था जिसके बेसिस पे मेरा सिलेक्शन हुआ. तो प्रति एलपीयू के साथ ही मैंने वो असाइनमेंट किया. लाइक तभी हमें पता लगा कि ऐसे वेबटून्स भी बनते हैं, या वर्टिकल फॉर्मेट में भी वी कैन मेक डिफरेंट फ्रेम्स. बिकॉज डेफिनेटली लाइक आप जब बात करते हो किसी से जो वर्क कर रहे हैं इन एन इंडस्ट्री फॉर लाइक 10-12 years जैसे एक्सपर्ट्स आते थे, सो यू गेट एनलाइटेंड अबाउट हाउ दे हैव वर्कड एंड हाउ दे हैव डन देयर थिंग्स.
ये तो प्लस पॉइंट हमारे डिपार्टमेंट के लिए है कि हम यहाँ पर डिफरेंट जो हमारे इंटरडिसिप्लिनरी अप्रोचेस हैं उसमें हम
डेफिनेटली.
आपको एक्सपर्ट करते हैं, और यही एक मेन पार्ट है कि हमारे जो जितने भी स्टूडेंट है, इवन आपके बैच के तो ऑलमोस्ट सभी स्टूडेंट्स
आ रही है.
वंडरफुल जॉब, बहुत अच्छी जॉब और प्लेसमेंट पे हैं। तो इसमें कहीं भी कोई भी ऐसी चीज नहीं है कि जिसको हम कुछ क्रिस्टल वे में नहीं बता रहे हैं। एवरीथिंग इज इन क्रिस्टल वे दैट यू आर are very good, and you all are placed as well. Very, very good, Sumedh. Now, Mohit, just tell me and share me some points related to your life journey as you are in the academics. So, what do you think about that? As Sumedh has said that yes, we are doing well, and definitely at that time also our students and our faculties were doing very, very good. So, what is your experience when we are talking about the changing trends of the advertising? What is your experience?
Yeah, yeah, sure. Actually, like I'll being like, can I start like how it started, like how my journey started?
Yes, yes, of course. You can
Yes,
also say a few
yes, yes.
points
So
related
the
to that.
so that the listeners, like they can have a bit of motivation around them. Like after doing my graduation from DAV College Amritsar, I like I started my masters at Lovely in 2016 and passed out in 2018. And after that, like I had the like industry stint for around 6 years. Worked at like various animation companies, and like worked for some international TV series, like the uh, local TV series. Like there is one of the TV series that we started, like that is aired on Nickelodeon, Booth Bandhus. So that is a like it got a very high ranking when it started. So I was working at Tavarohi Animation Studios. So that was basically like started for the kids, because as you know, the kids really like the cartoons, the animated movies, like that. And so the purpose was like the selling also, like the purpose was also the selling. We can relate that to
तो
advertisement as well,
हमारा
right?
हमारा यूनिवर्सिटी जो है, हमारी एलपीयू जो है, यहाँ पे हर स्टूडेंट को इस तरह से जो है सक्षम बनाती है कि आपका जो सेलिंग है, मार्केटिंग वैल्यू है, वो
Yes.
साथ साथ आप उसको
And
लेके
if I think all of you must have seen that the cartoons of the politicians on the Aaj Tak or the India TV, right? I would like to give one example more. Like when the COVID started, I was associated with Tavrohi Animation Studios in Gurugram, and our company asked to like create one concept for the India TV. India TV wanted to, like sell their news through a animated video, right? They wanted to advertise it. So our team, like created one short animated movie around, like having all the politicians around 1.5 minutes, and it got 13 million views on the YouTube.
Oh,
So
marvelous.
so that was there. Like it's been like regarding design, regarding like animation, regarding every concept. It's basically we are doing like selling something, selling our ideas, selling our concepts to like people to get inspired, like it's have been the like all and all, we can say, the advertisement, right? And now if I can talk about the future of advertising, like I personally believe, like like the future of advertisement is likely to be more personalized, immersive and interactive than ever before, right? Like you can see, like advertisement जो people करते हैं वो अभी AI यूज कर रहे हैं, right? They are having the VR and AR to create immersive experience. VR and AR की मैं एक real life like example I'll discuss, like what the car brand Audi is doing right now. They do not conducting the like the mass training sessions to train their like newbies to
अच्छा,
see how their brands work out, or like what are they doing. They are doing the VR and AR like tools to just like having that training sessions with them, only having the headsets, right? And they are like sitting at their table, sitting in their like offices, having the experiences of training, which reducing the cost of the company as well. So these things are there. And like इसके अलावा अगर हम देखें कि वीडियो कंटेंट का पॉपुलैरिटी बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ रहा है, राइट? इफ आई कैन गिव द एग्जांपल, क्या है वीडियो कंटेंट का पॉपुलैरिटी क्या बन रहा है, एंड हाउ लाइक इट गिव्स द बेनिफिट टू द एडवर्टीजमेंट। आज का जो फोकस का अटेंशन जो स्पैन है, इट इज 8 seconds, just 8 seconds for the, for a good
Oh,
video to get attained. 8 seconds only, right?
definitely.
Yes. So
It is
if
just
a
coming
good,
on the screen and it is just vanished.
yes, so if a good advertisement is there, if a good video is there, so definitely people will get connected to it, right? So that holds it that like I won't say it just matters to a video only, but I would say if it any content, like कोई भी content है, उसका रिगार्डिंग स्पैन ये है कि अगर हमारा कॉन्सेप्ट अच्छा है, आइडिया अच्छा है, हमारा सेलिंग पर्पस क्लियर है, तो दैट एडवर्टीजमेंट विल डेफिनेटली लाइक हैव द लाइक उसका वो दिखेगा कि क्या वो बताना चाहते हैं,
बिल्कुल
राइट?
सही कह रहे हैं मोहित। और एक बार मुझे याद है जब मैंने आपकी क्लास में इंस्पेक्शन भी लिया और आप बच्चों के साथ इंटरेक्ट कर रहे थे, तो
यस
वहां पर भी कॉन्सेप्ट को डेवलप करने के लिए आप उनका जो विजुअल एक एंगल था
यस
उसको
यस
स्ट्रॉन्ग कर रहे थे। तो वहां पर आप वो कैसे स्टार्ट करते हो, थोड़ा सा हमारे स्टूडेंट्स को बता सकते हो यहाँ पर?
actually like I'll say ki there can be like they can start with some accuracies, like they can like interpret some of the images, like starting from like anything, like have do one thing, some type of quizzes, like starting from
We
have
can
some type.
also start from the logos as well. We can see
Yes,
that
logos
what
and
movies
some
and
sports achievement. Let's
okay.
suppose, yes, let's suppose Australia has 3 World Cup trophies regularly, right? And you can like fix one image before the other and tell yourself for the other one, like which was the first one, second one, and third one, which
Very
tell the
good.
accuracy, right? It's a simple example, if I can
Accuracy
say.
and the story also, because it's a
Yes,
story
yes,
of
yes.
different
How
times we
they,
can see.
yes, definitely. And like besides that, we are saying like what digital holds, right? It's a very simple thing. In households also we can see, like जो बच्चे हैं वो आजकल नोटबुक नहीं मोबाइल फोन पे पढ़ना पसंद करते हैं, राइट? तो सिंपलेस्ट एग्जांपल है, हमारे घरों पे भी वो एग्जांपल है। तो हमें भी जो आज की टीचिंग है वो भी मोर इंटरेक्टिव बेस्ड हो रही है, राइट? पीपीटीज मोर एनिमेशन बेस्ड, मोर इंटरेक्टिव बेस्ड हो रही है, राइट? पीपीटीज वो नहीं रह गया है कि हमने
हमारे
लिखा
पास
हुआ
भी
है।
फाइनर्स में भी हम लोग जो है मोशन ग्राफिक्स के साथ बच्चों को
यस
करवाते हैं, तो वहां पर वो
यस
एनिमेटेड एक जो थिंग है हम उसको ऐड कर रहे हैं साथ साथ,
यस
ताकि वो जो
यस
एक चेंजिंग ट्रेंड्स है और टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ
यस
हम काम करें।
यस लाइक what आई कैन ऑल्सो सी एज ए व्यूअर, जो
हम्म,
एक इमेज बंदे का विजुअल क्लियर करती है, वो टेक्स्ट में उतना इंटरेस्टेड आज
नहीं।
जो आजकल की जेन जी है जिसको हम कहते हैं, द
हम्म,
सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म वी कैन से, वो उतना इंटरेस्टेड नहीं है। लेट सपोज दे आर मोर इंटरेस्टेड टू द लाइक द विजुअल्स एंड व्हाट इन फ्रंट ऑफ देयर स्क्रीन इज,
हम्म।
राइट? So that is the thing, like, and also some of the things like एयर एंड वीआर टेक्नोलॉजी है जो आज बहुत ही ज्यादा रेवोल्यूनाइज कर रही है। एंड यू गाइस, लाइक आई वांट वन थिंग आई वांट टू से, लाइक 2023 तक ओवर 110 मिलियन अमेरिकंस वर यूजिंग like AR devices, and over 32 million
Yes,
VR devices.
I also heard the same news, and I was thinking to discuss with that great thing that yes,
Yeah.
we are using some new thing. That is the proof of it.
Yes. So that is there, like amazing records. You
Yeah.
guys won't believe, like authenticity on the social media is increasing also, right? With over 59% of the global population engaged on social media. The influence of social media influencers is growing, and like influencers, particularly those resonating with Gen Z, create authentic content that appeals to their followers, right? जो उनके followers, जो let's suppose they know the target audience, like the what the traditional way of advertisement, radio, TV or print ads, और जो like the modern like the modern ways हैं, उनमें आई थिंक द बेस्ट थिंग हैपेंड इज द टारगेट ऑडियंस।
Mhm.
नाउ वी नो विच एड्स टू गो वेयर, राइट? हमारी ऑडियंस क्या है, राइट। पहले जो था हमें वो हम टारगेट ऑडियंस अपनी डिफाइन नहीं कर पाते थे। तो बट आई कैन सी लाइक with the like the engaging technologies and like the digital mode, like we know like what our target audience is, right? The best thing happened, and reducing the cost, like everywhere we don't have to spend extra, like we know like what we have to like deliver, that the thing is there. And other than that, AI is तो definitely there. Alexa और Siri तो है ही है, हमने उनके बारे में तो सुना है, क्या वो कर रहे हैं, क्या वो कर सकते हैं, राइट? यू वॉन्ट बिलीव, आई एम शेयरिंग वन कोट, predictions show the AI market will be soaring up to $407 billion by 2027, right? And like with Google bracing for AI disruption within a year or two, according to Gmail creator poll, right? So AI is definitely a game changer, automating tasks, saving time, and like कंटी ऑप्टिमाइजिंग एंड लाइक द एड स्पेंडिंग। जो सबसे बड़ा बेनिफिट है एआई का, वो कंपनीज को एड स्पेंडिंग पे ऑप्टिमाइज कर रहा है, राइट? द कंपनीज नाउ नोज लाइक हाउ मच टू स्पेंड, राइट? उनकी स्पेंडिंग भी सेव हो रही है, and it enables precise, as I said, it enables precise customer targeting and based on the online behavior, making ads personalized and campaigns more effective, right? And tools like one of the other examples, if you guys know, like tools like like the chat gpt, right? The chat gpt in the market, chat gpt के साथ क्या है, and jasper is also there, produce compelling copy with minimal output, right? Chat gpt, for instance, I would share another quote, right? The chat gpt, for instance, has skyrocketed like to over 100 million users just after the launch, like in the 2 months, right? So that AI has it's just a like part of AI, right? एंड इसके अलावा अगर हमको पता ही है कि वॉइस सर्च ऑप्टिमाइजेशन है, लेट सपोज अगर मैं पहले जो था, हम टेक्स्ट बेस्ड सर्च करते थे, किसी भी सर्च इंजन पे जा रहे हैं तो टेक्स्ट बेस्ड सर्च इंजन होती थी। नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू लाइक द डेटा, over 71% of consumers prefer voice search for like its convenience and accuracy.
Definitely, it can also relax one time for your eyes also.
Yes,
जब
yes,
हम भी
yes,
थके हुए होते हैं तो थोड़ा सा अपना वॉइस ऑन किया for the TV and for mobile, both the things we are going to do.
yes, yes.
Right, right.
And like the
एक चीज
mobile
और भी है,
centric,
अभी अभी एक चीज और भी है, जैसे अगर कोई चीज हमें मिला है, जैसे एक छोटा सा फूल था, उस फ्लावर के बारे में कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन हमने जाननी थी, तो मेरे बच्चों ने क्या किया कि वो बस एक बस कहते हैं कि क्लिक किया और वो गूगल सर्च पे डाला, तो उसके लिए पूरा जो इन्फॉर्मेशन है वो भी हमारे सामने आ गया। तो इस समय वो
yes,
भी जरूरी नहीं है कि हमारे पास वो एक टेक्स्ट होना चाहिए, टेक्स्ट की
yes,
जरूरत
yes,
नहीं है, हमारे
yes,
पास एक सिर्फ इन्फॉर्मेशन या कुछ एक क्लू है एंड वी गेट information on that topic.
yes.
Very true. Very
And like the mobile centric campaigns are continuing their dominance, right? uh like the over 99% of the like the world's population is using like the mobile phones for the social media usage,
yes.
right? LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, right? TikTok was banned in India, but literally TikTok is like the one of the I would say the best organic reach platform in the world right now, right? And if for us, the LinkedIn is there. LinkedIn at the moment is at its peak, right? Organic reach, the what's the benefit? Like you don't have to be like the connected with many ones, right? You are what the single thing I'll like share with the students here, what is there, like when I was studying in 2016 or 18, right? The like the boom of LinkedIn was not there that much, and we used to have to go to the companies, their careers, and contact them like through their mails, and I had to find the contacts, right? What's now happening sorry, and I have seen also uh, a single content of your artwork on LinkedIn can give you a job right away. Why? All the recruiters are there, almost all the founders are there, and they will just see your artwork and they'll say like okay, and they can put your DM direct away. Now LinkedIn has started a badge which says आपको क्या LinkedIn की मदद से जॉब मिली है, right?
Yes.
So I have seen so many badges like that. So that is also a LinkedIn's advertisement na? Like LinkedIn also wants to say to everyone, right, कि मेरे कारण इनको जॉब मिली है, तो आप भी LinkedIn यूज करो.
बिल्कुल.
And definitely LinkedIn is the best way. I would say every student to have a LinkedIn profile minimal.
Definitely.
Right?
For the academic purpose, it's very, very important.
Yes. So that is there, like be, you know, like be with the current trends. I would say I would conclude like that, be with the current trends, what you are doing and what industry is doing. Like be on the current platforms, like the organic platforms like LinkedIn, like Indeed, like IMDb, right? So these platforms enhance, you know, like your skills, your connections, you to weigh like how other people are advertising their products, their designs, right? How other people are you know, like the कैसे वो काम करते हैं, क्या उनके तरीके हैं. When we were studying, this much reach was not there. So that's a,
Very
you know,
true.
like the best thing happened to students, I would say, the LinkedIn, IMDb, you know, like these type of things. So I'll definitely suggest students to be on the, you know, like the organic platforms, have regularly post your content, your design, your advertisements, right? So that it can reach to any recruiter or any founder. So definitely they'll come up and they'll say like, we want to snatch you at like, let's come and work with us. Only a single piece of work can give you a job.
Absolutely correct. And you have also given a wonderful explanation where I have started with the message from the kings, and definitely from now it's just related with the personalized message and personalized advertising also. So it's a gap of thousands of years, but again we can say that yes, we are working on it in a new way, new channel where immersive experience is there with the virtual things, the virtual reality definitely provide the artist with a really impressive and a wonderful environment for it, and definitely for the 3D modeling where we are just giving a new shape to the world, and interactive art also, because these are the part of it. And we all are doing it, and I am very happy to say that this is the part of our curriculum, as
Yes.
mostly the students and the faculty and the deans of the universities are also looking around my scheme and my curriculum, and they are saying that it's very good that you are adding all the points which is required in the present time. So
Yes.
from starting to end, we have the mostly things, and again I'm saying that for the new input also, we are also using calling artists from the industry, as today we called Mr. Sumit Singh as definitely he's my student, and very proud of him that he is the part of the industry right now. It's a good feeling, क्योंकि जब भी एक टीचर क्या है, आज भी आप हमें इसी रूम में छोड़ के गए थे, अगेन वी आर इन द सेम रूम एज द हेड ऑफ द डिपार्टमेंट एंड ऑल, बट यस यू आर promoting, and definitely you are getting promotion for it. It's very fantastic and a good thing for us, क्योंकि ये कहीं ना कहीं हमें प्राउड फील करवाता है कि हमारे स्टूडेंट इस लेवल पर हैं कि आज हम उन्हें एक इंडस्ट्री एक्सपर्ट के रूप में हम कॉल कर रहे हैं. वेरी
Thank you
गुड
so much.
एंड
Thank you so much.
एनर्जेटिक फॉर अस. बहुत अच्छा फील होता है हमें इस तरह से
जी
देख
जी
कर आप
बिल्कुल.
सबको. एंड द सेम फॉर Mohit, for you, as you were also the student of BFA, you can say, and it is also a proud moment for your parents, your teachers, that again you are here to encourage the students of your new batch, and you are also delivering a new message to the society, where the way you are teaching, where you are guiding to your student is marvelous. So again,
Thank you.
very proud feeling for me today as just interacting with Sumedh and Mohit, both the students, and wonderful job for the lovely answer. So, ma'am, it's a good time for us because we are also discussing about so many different things. Very, very informative information we have shared with the students as well. Thank you so much, Sumedh. Thank you so much, Mohit, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you,
Over
ma'am.
to
Thank
you,
you, sir.
Darvinder, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Dr. Rohita, Mr. Sumedh, and Mr. Mohit. As I can see, there's some questions from our participant. Can we take questions, Dr. Rohita?
Yes, you can. You can ask.
Yeah, thanks for giving me a chance to address your question. And now let's start with the question number one. Mega is asking here, what role does data analytics play in modern advertising campaigns?
Data analytics, definitely. Mohit, you were talking about the data analytics. So can you please say something and satisfy the student how we can see it? Mohit?
Yes. So actually, and let's suppose like it you know like the data analytics, it has been the like the if I can say कि जो अभी AI है, let's suppose, right, उसका जो यूजेज है, right, वो स्टार्ट तो हुआ है, बट देयर कम्स द like the security concerns as well, right? So there has been the blockchain, right? Blockchain, that the security concerns also, right? So it like the it's still like the under the process, I'll say, like, right? And like it has been like the concerns are there, right? Like the some of the concerns were that the AI will like the can there I have seen some of the videos like where the like the fake videos, like the like the AI was used for a wrong purpose as well, right? So for that thing, like the work has been going on, right? The data analytics, like they consume like like what type of ways like the AI people is using in, right? So with that, like the things are going in making, and they definitely come up with like the more like the tools. I'll say the AI will definitely like develop in the future, and they'll definitely come up with the more terms to have the data analytics more accurately, so that the like the proper use of it can be done in the future as well.
Thank you so much, Mr. Mohit. Adil is asking here, what are the key challenges faced by advertisers in the digital age?
So what are the challenges?
Yes, ma'am.
Definitely. It's related with actually, here we can see the two different things. One is related for the consumer and one is for the artist. So definitely artist is just working on the choice and the demand of the industry. But again, there are so many challenges to work with it because first of all, it's a time limited. As we can say that there is a limited time to create a video or the any message or advertisement, means they just go with it. And the second thing is definitely for the client satisfaction. That is also very challenging because sometimes we are not able to convey the message in a proper manner when we are using the certain type of the color scheme or any other motive or the character, you can say. So at that time, I think the artists are facing challenges.
Thank you so much, Dr. Rohita. I hope all the participants got the answers from our experts. If anyone has any queries, they just write on the admissions @lpu.co.in. Once again, thanks to Dr. Rohita, Mr. Sumedh, and Mr. Mohit. As we come to the end of this webinar, I want to express my deepest gratitude to our experts for sharing their valuable insights and expertise with us. Your presence, enthusiasm, and active participation have made this experience truly special. Hopefully the attendees found this webinar to be valuable and will be able to utilize the information for better decision making regarding your admissions. If anyone want to access this webinar again, they can visit our website, that is lpu.in, or can be accessed on YouTube also. Stay connected with us for future webinars. Until we meet again, with the permission of my seniors, I would be signing off this webinar. Take care and goodbye. Have a beautiful day.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.